A wonderful coping mechanism is a quote that I've heard by Swami Chinmayananda. This too shall pass. There's moments in our lives when we are so happy that we have a bounce in our step and we're surrounded by the people we love and we're celebrating and we feel invincible. And in those moments, we forget that sorrow ever existed. And it doesn't even seem to be a reality at that point in time. But the opposite is also true. When we extremely sad, disheartened, our hearts are heavy, in those moments, we forget that happiness exists. If we have some kind of physical element of a toothache or some kind of heartbreak, rejection, somebody said something to us, we didn't quite get that trophy that we wanted. In those moments, we might even think, I'll never be happy again. But whatever it is just that moment. And time is such a thing that it's constantly flowing. If you think of time as a river, then each moment the water replaces the next. In the same way, time is passing, replacing each moment as it does. And so whatever it is there will pass. And how wonderful it would be if we could remember that the next time we are disheartened or dejected, or even just simply having a bad day, that this circumstance will pass, these thoughts will pass, these feelings will pass, and this moment most definitely will pass. Whatever it is, this too shall pass.